Can we sub? Let's go.
Jenna.
Come on, girls, pick it up. We're not close to it yet. We want the defense throwing the ball here.
Go on there, on target! Tackle now.
Pressure! Step in! Get there! On net, on net, on net! Good try, good try! Let's keep it in now! Good try, Dylan!
Good job, Aries.
Fire, come on, Maddie! Maddie! Maddie, gotta be head on a swivel, right? Up! Go! Gotta keep this in now. Okay, next group, come on. Can't be going over 2 mids. Dylan, drop back, support more on that. They got a big throw. Second effort, Maddie. Go. To the net, On net. Give me a time. Please give me a time. We're going to win this, but it's got to be better than this. Okay? Come on.
Sure.
Stay up here for a second. Always up here. Yeah. I need more from you. Keep fighting. First to the ball block. Hey, lots of talk. Lots of talk.
Ruby, send that pocket.
And you stay high, okay? As high as you can, you hunt everything down. Make it quality here, Linnea. Get there. See? See? Go, go, go. Support the ball. First side. That's it, Ange. Get there, get there, get there. Okay, keep it in here. Big throw. Don't let the throw go over you. Don't let the throw go over you. Turn and face. Turn and face, turn and face, turn and face. Run it the wrong way. Press, press, press. Back pedal so you see what's in front of you. Okay, but the last start, you're going quick on your throw-ins. First to the ball, Black. Let's see you, Carmen.
Get wide.
And go. Through ball, through ball. Come on, Ange.
Nice.
Go. Keep it in, Black. That's us. That's us. Are we ready? Come on, girls. Let's get the next one.
I think that's 15 minutes. Let you in! Go, Emma, go, Emma. Go, Marie. Go, Emma, go. Yeah, let you, Lily.
And go, and go, and go. And make a run.
Come on, Sienna. Yes, Sienna.
Keep battling, Sienna. Step in. That's it, Dylan. On net.
On Ange. Get it out. Yes.
Keep going, Dylan. Keep going.
Dylan.
Let's get in front. Come on, girls. You're doing amazing. It's a tough game. You're doing amazing. You're doing amazing. Keep pushing, honey. Keep pushing. First, inside run! Inside run! Gotta get back, gotta get back. Battle, Maddie, second and third. Shield. Maddie, we lose the ball. You gotta track though, right? Good job, Maddie. Angie, meet this ball here. You come back and get it, okay? Girls, support her. Keep it in, Black. Okay. You ready with another one here? For 1 more minute? On it. On it. Come back where Charlotte is. Sophia, drive. Let's go, girls, come on. We're running late, so we gotta be tracking at all times. There's no head on the swivel. Go, go, go. Second and third effort. Press, 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 press.
Actually, no. Maybe on
Subs.
Sophia! Ava! Elena!
So they're sending people in late, they all have that ahead of the swivel. If you need help in there, I'm not here to communicate when they help, right? So if you get too many people, I'm telling you that, right? That's what happened there, and just let it slow down. So get that back, let's go. On it! Too much room! Stay high, Ange. Get there, Ange. Down the wing. Girls, get goal side. Back, 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 back. Press, press, press. Look for the short one here, Sienna. Clarissa, be ready if she releases. Go. Come on, Clarissa. That's it, that's it. Open up. Go, 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 go. Make it run, Ange, to the net. Support Dylan. Okay, hold it.